What's up, guys? We are in on a trade right now looking at a bull flag breakout here. Bull flag pennant. As you can see, it popped up, came back just a little bit and retraced, and now it's breaking out of this little triangle area here. Perfect bull flag breakout here for the bulls. Let's see if we can get up back above to where we were previously at, or if this is going to be a false breakout. We have 1,400 shares. Looking to see if we can get this above 49 cents, maybe even 58 cents where it was pre-market. As it looks like a nice little cup and handle forming right here, a cup and handle. Very nice. And it looks like we are getting that breakout just like we wanted. Very clean breakout. I only wish I had 1,400 shares down at 36 instead of way up here at 42.50. But looks like we're getting that nice little breakout here. Nope, getting rejected. Let's see. There we go. Pushing up. Now let's see how far this can ride up. Volume's coming in, looking good. This is number 5 on the top gainers of the day. It just crossed over to number 4. Definitely getting some momentum here. Picking up some volume. Volume's looking good, 484,000. Curling over on the MACD on the 5 minute, starting to see a little bit of green on the MACD. Very nice. Let's continue this upward momentum. This bull flag breakout is working very nicely. And let's see how much money we could actually lock in today. I was buying here. Could have sold up in this area, but decided to wait, average down a little bit more into this area, buying another 100 shares. And let's see as far as how high up this can go. A lot of resistance at 40 cents, though. A lot of resistance at 40 cents. So we may even have a breakout here at 40 cents, a double top breakout, or it's going to get rejected. There we go. It's going to break out above 40. Very nice breakout above 40. See how far up this can go. Now we have already locked in money here. Oh, 40 is resistance, catching a lot of resistance at 40. Yeah, we traded ATPC today, locked in $56. Very nice trade. Not sure why it's not showing on here. Whoops. Not sure it's not showing my trades on here. That's weird. Having trouble breaking 40. Had a nice breakout. Bull flag pennant breakout here. Now it's catching resistance. Means that is that trade is gone. Nice little breakout to the 40. And that was about it. Very clean though. It was a nice clean move, nice clean breakout. It was just on the high part of this resistance. We'll see if it continues. Slight pullback here. Gotta get above 40. All right. Well, we will pause this video and I'll make another one when this decides to go back up. But that is an example of a really clean bull flag breakout. I got squeezed, had nowhere else to go, and either it was going to go down or up. Squeezed up, getting another additional, few cents here. Very nice, but then broke because it was at that resistance. Thanks for watching, and see you guys all in the next live stream.